guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video, and if you are a return watcher, thank you for always supporting and watching my videos. It means so much to me that I have all you guys supporting me, and yeah, let's just keep the flow going. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I really wanted to go for a glitter glam type of look, and as you can see, she's looking good. Hair did, nails did, snatched. I'm about to go serve in the city tonight with my girls. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then continue to watch. But first, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, share, tell your friend, tell your mom, tell your sister. Just bring them all to the page, okay? We could be one big happy family. So yeah, so now let's get into the video. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I used the same old Goof Proof by Benefits. This is in the shade 4.5, and I cleaned up my eyebrows with the ColourPop concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. So for eyes today, I'm going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Warriors palette. So for this look, I kind of want to do like a neutral gold kind of look. Like, you know, clearly that's all that this palette is like really for. So for my first transition shade, I want to go in with this brown. This is in the shade Cano, and I'm just going to pop that right into my crease. But first, let me prime. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 360 to prime my eyes. I'm going to go in with that first brown shade and pop that right in my crease. And I'm bringing it into the inner part of my crease as well. So as you guys know, and if you didn't know, now you do, Juvia's Place came out with foundations and concealers. And when I tell you, I am so here for it. Like, I cannot wait. I think June is when it's gonna be, like, you know, available in Ulta. I'm telling you, I'm already marking down, trying to figure out what shade I am, because as soon as it hits stores, I'm there. Ain't no sold out. So far from like what they've been posting, I want to say I'm gonna be shade 410, but I really have to, like, you know, swatch, go there and see. So I'm not gonna order it online. I don't even know if you can order online yet. I feel like you might be able to, but I'm gonna wait until it hits stores, just so that I could like really test it out and like see. But from these videos, it looks like chocolate. Like, it looks so edible. Oh my gosh, the way that it just blends into like their skin, like the complexion, like it is on point. I already know that they were going to blow us out the water with this, because they do with every single eyeshadow palette that they drop. So I knew that they like really took their time to perfect these foundations and concealers. So I'm so excited for that. Cannot wait for that. And I'll definitely be doing a first impressions review on that for you guys, so stay tuned. It'll be like sometime in June. I have to check and see when they will be available in Ulta. I just know that it's going to be next month. So I'm so excited for that. So I do want to go in to the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette, and I do want to use these two brown shades right here. This one is Royal Prerogative, and this one is Duchess, and I want to add that to my crease as well. So first I'm going to go in with Royal Prerogative and pop that right on top of where I placed Cano, just to add more brown. And now I'm going to take Duchess and pop that right in my crease as well. And I'm using the same brush. And I'm just going to blend all of those together with a clean blending brush. Okay, so going back to the Warriors palette, I'm going to take this dark shade Mino and I'm going to place that into the outer V of my crease just to build some depth to the eye. And I'm just going to keep packing on that shade just so it can get, like, you know, very deep. This is a nighttime look. It's like 9:08 right now at night, and I'm actually going out to the city, so I want like that nighttime type of vibe, you know. So now I'm going to go back in with the blending brush, and I'm going to take Royal Prerogative and just blend around the crease so that everything is like blended well together. And I'm totally winging this look, by the way, like, not like winging it out, but like I'm just going with the flow. Like, I have no idea what I want to do, but I just know that I want to use this gold glitter, and we're going to use it. So we're going to just see where this look takes us. And I'm going to go in and pack some more of that dark shade to bring back the intensity, but only like in this spot right here. So now I'm going to take this middle shade right here. This is called More Me. This one right here. It's like a very pretty champagne gold. Yeah. And I'm just going to pop that on my lid. I did wet my brush just so that it like has a good hold and it's nice and vibrant and pigmented. We're just going to pack that onto the lid. That's gorgeous. And I'm kind of using the brush to cut the crease. It's not neat. It's definitely not neat, but like, you know, it's kind of like creating that cut crease effect. So now that I'm done packing that shade on, I'm just going to go in with some NYX glitter glue, well, glitter primer, and I'm going to pop that on so that the NYX glitter pigment has something to hold on to. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and apply that to my lid. So this one is the NYX glitter. This is in the shade Glee 05. It's like a very yellow gold type of color. So I'm just going to tap some into the cap and get to work. This looks so, oh my gosh. The camera is not doing it justice. I'm telling you that right now. This is, oh my gosh. The camera is not doing this. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I never used this before. Like, I had this for so long. So now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Shayla Proceed with Caution palette, and I want to use Gloves On and just like pop that into the outer V of my eye. And I'm just going to blend around just so that everything, you know, blends well together, looks together, nothing looks harsh. So now I'm just going to clean off my lashes because I have like glitter all over them. I'm just gonna blend out here a little more. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyeliner is on and I didn't wing it out. I just did a regular liner and I blended it in with the black. Yeah, it was black that we used, yeah. And the liner that I used, where is it? Like I just, here it is. So I used the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner pen, and I really like this pen because the tip, it gives me a lot of control over my liner. Sometimes like the wands like these, it's kind of a struggle for me because I'm just not at that level yet. So I use, what are these called, like felt tips or like a sponge tip? Yeah, so I like these. And for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Buttercup lashes by Brianna Glam. I love these lashes. It's probably like my 8th time wearing these lashes. Like, I just love these lashes. Like, so bomb, so bomb. I'm going to put the link down below where you can get them. She's still working on her website, but it will be ready, I want to say like by summertime. And like in the next month or so, her website will be up, so you guys will be able to purchase them. So this is in the style SURAIA, and absolutely love these. So while the lash glue dries, I'm just going to use my Neutrogena makeup wipes to remove all this glitter from my face, because she needs to get ready for foundation. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and I'm just going to apply these to my top lashes. Just a light coat, nothing serious. And these should be dry now. Let's just do a little bit of extra drying. Yes, these lashes are just everything. So I'm just gonna go back with the eyeliner and cover the band. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna be going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I don't want to believe it, but I'm just gonna say that lately I've been using this primer in my last videos. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock, and it's been drying my skin out. You know, I do have dry skin, and this is matte, so I'm going to be going in with this and just applying that all over my face. So I'm going to be color correcting with the Maybelline Master Camo color correcting pen, and this is in the shade Apricot. And I'm just going to go under my eyes and anywhere where I have like discoloration. Okay, and for foundation, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 385. And I'm just going to use 2 pumps. For concealer, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 360. And I'm just going to conceal these bad boys right here. Contour, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I'm going to add some color back to the skin. Definitely had to fix my lighting because it was just a little bit too bright. making me look very washed out. So to set underneath my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Buttercup setting powder. This is in the shade Yellow. And then to set my contour, I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Powder Kit. And I'm going to be taking the 2 darkest shades. And now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. So now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Black Liner to line my lower lash line, and this is in the shade Dark Room. And I want to go back in with the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette, and I am going to smoke that out with Royal Prerogative. So for blush, I want to go in with the Milani blush. This is the Rose d'Oro number 2. Going to be going back into the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and for my inner tear ducts, I'm going to take that shade that I had first popped on my lid, the More Me shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear ducts, and I'm going to wet my brush. So now I'm just going to set my face. And this is the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And for my lips, I'm going to be doing a red lip. So I'm going to be using the Lip Bar liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Boss Lady. And for liner, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe liner in the shade Vibes. So I'm going to line my lips first. And now I'm going to go in with the lipstick. And now I'm just going to go in with some NYX Control Freak setting gel to set my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to do my hair, put on my outfit, and I'll be right back. And here you have it. Here's the final look. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. And I hope that it inspires you to go out and be just as glam, you know. I actually had this for so long. Like, I actually have a couple more of the NYX glitter pigments, and I never really used them. And now that I feel comfortable using them and like seeing that like the look actually like comes out amazing, I'm gonna stock up on a lot more of these because they have a lot of colors. Very affordable. So yeah, I got that at Ulta randomly, like during an Ulta haul. But yeah, this is a very nice glitter, very affordable. Go get you some. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Go ahead, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching.